What's up, guys? Caleb here from Srkcycles.com, and you are looking at a Honda Shadow Spirit. I'm trying to think what the year is. It's a 2007 Honda Shadow Spirit. It's got great tread on the front and back tire. I mean, you still got some of the little thingies on the side, nipples on the side. Great tread on the back. Benson Hines pipe, guys. This is the pipes. This is the walk around video. I hate that breather. It's in really nice shape, guys. The rear fender, I mean, it doesn't even really have any scratches. It's got the license plate relocator. Got progressive suspension. Tanks are really clean. Super clean. Got these awesome flame mirrors. Carbon fiber along the side of the seat there. It is 10 degrees. Well, it was negative 10 degrees this morning. Okay, we got a chip in the front fender. It was negative 10 degrees this morning. I think it's right around 0 right now here in PA. It is so cold. I hate my life right now doing this walk around. This bike, I believe, was purchased. That's why I'm doing the walk around. Someone can see exactly what it looks like. It's all in really nice shape, actually. Fender, if you can see. Alright, not fender, tank. Really good shape. Back fender, it's in good shape. It has these forward controls on it. It's all in really nice shape. Top of the tank's in great shape. It's only got like 13,000 on it. You can see it'll fire up. Fires up right away. One little, it's got that scuff on the front fender. It's not a huge deal. It's got some pitting along, you know, this is super common. A little bit of pitting along the brake reservoir and stuff. Super, super, super common. Guys, these bikes run forever. They are literally bulletproof. Like I said, guys, 2007 Honda Shadow Spirit. Thanks a ton for watching, guys.